Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, everyone taking sort of a proverbial breath here as we got through what was a very wild 48 to 72-hour period, not only late last week, but this weekend, too, tromping through the rain, snow, and eventually ice across the southern Willamette Valley. And it was just absolutely amazing to see, that's for sure. Here's some of the numbers that we've put together. Meteorologist Melissa Fry had kind of crunched some of these earlier, but I thought it'd be worth mentioning again this evening if you'd missed it this morning. We got about 8.7 inches of snow and about a ½ inch of ice. Now, the water equivalent of that, if you take all the snow and the ice and kind of melt it down, that's about 2 inches of rain, which basically really helped that rain deficit that we've seen so far this year. The last big February snow blast that we saw of about 8 inches or more, you got to go all the way back to 1990. And some of the, I won't say old timers, but let's say some of the veteran staff around here at KEZI, I always want to talk about the winter of 1969 as well, when there were feet of snow on the ground. So that's sort of the measuring stick that we use with all of those. All right, so here's what we've got. Another weak front moving in across some of the northern part of the state right now. Cold front from this will sweep through some light scattered showers as we go overnight tonight into tomorrow. This is not the big storm that we're watching. That will come through by this time tomorrow evening into Wednesday, and that'll be sort of a 1, 2, 3 punch, similar to what we saw last week, but instead of it being snow and ice, it's just gobs of rain coming through, which is, again, what will switch here in the Weather Center to more of a flood concern over the next couple of days. Live look on the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep right now. As we mentioned, from Chehalis down towards Portland, that's where we're getting a lot of the rain. You can see the Cascades, also looking at mainly rain showers until you get up above towards the ski resorts, and that's where it'll finally switch over to snow. High wind watches also in anticipation of that next storm coming through. Those go through Wednesday morning, either at 4 a.m. or 7 a.m., and it is going to be rain too. Temperatures across the board well above freezing, upper 40s to mid to low 50s as you get down to the south coast. 39 in Corvallis, 38 now in Eugene. The fog will settle in tonight and probably through most of the morning tomorrow. So there's our first system moving in. The second one is the one that will come through tomorrow night and Wednesday, and then an even stronger one we'll watch as well, as the jet stream is pointing all three of those pretty much right at the north coast here. So here's what we've got. Stop it by tomorrow afternoon. Still looking at some winds increasing. I do think it'll be a very breezy day for just about everybody. Then Tuesday night into Wednesday, that first wave comes on through. We'll see a reinforcing shot of that Wednesday night, and then Thursday, Friday, more of that coming through as well, as we'll see a lot of rain potential and possibly an inch to an inch and a half over the next, let's say, about 48-hour period. So again, we watch it very carefully. Catch basins, as I mentioned, and also some of the rivers that will slowly start to rise over the next few days. So high winds, evening rain, pretty much afternoon, evening as you get to Newport, Florence, everyone in the 50s. In the Umpqua Basin, fog in the morning, showers to rain steady by late tomorrow night in the mid-50s there as well. About 1 to 2 inches of snow in the Cascades. Freezing levels will still be hovering at around 5,500 feet. Breezy with afternoon showers, rain showers across central Oregon, and a rainy breezy afternoon and evening for us here across the Willamette Valley. 7-day forecast for the coast. Look at that. Lots and lots of rain potential over the next 6 to 7 days, and some pretty good winds as well. In the Umpqua, we'll see rainy, breezy conditions tomorrow night into Wednesday, then a bit of a break Thursday morning. More showers expected through the weekend. Cascades, showers with a wintry mix at times, but the ski resort should see snow each and every day. And here in the Willamette Valley, quiet tomorrow, guys, kind of cloudy, but then we'll start to see what is going to be a very soggy 6 to 7 days for us here. And as we said, we were talking about the news, we're going to transition to, instead of snow and ice, flood concerns at this point.
I'm just going to focus on the quiet for one day.
There you go.
Take that.